In this video, we are going to see printing reports in Tally. Generating and printing reports in two different formats. One in detailed format, the other one in condensed format. Reports and documents which are generated via the Tally can also be printed. In Tally, there are two different ways are there for printing. They are flexible and easy to use. The first one is using the shortcut key, that will be Alt P. P indicates here print. The second one is using multi-account printing option. Both of these methods will produce the same output. In case of first option, that is Alt plus P, once we press this particular shortcut key, this will provide new button bar options on the right hand side of the window and later the print configuration. In case of multi-account printing, it is used to print the primary books of accounts like cash and bank books, account ledgers or ledger accounts, sales and purchase register. Instead of selecting accounts one at a time, we can press here the shortcut key, that will be Alt plus P. Right now we will see the practical part of this one in Tally. We are back to Tally. Gateway of Tally, reports, balance sheet. Just click on this one, right? And here we have the horizontal balance sheet where we can see one side liabilities and other side we can see the assets, right? To see the detailed one, press here Alt and function key F1. Or else top right hand side, here we have Alt and function key F1, condensed mode, detailed mode, right? To go for the print option, press here Alt P. Printing balance sheet, and here we can see many information here. Printer, name of the printer will appear here. Number of copies, right now it is 1, this can be changed, correct? Print language, English. Method, neat mode, right? Page range, all. Paper type will appear here. This also can be changed. Paper size and print area. All the information will be available at the top. Report titles, we can see here balance sheet with print preview, right? The same way, to go back here, just press here backspace. Scale factor for ballots, default. This can be set even for lakhs or even for millions, right? Okay. Select for default. Format, detailed one or condensed mode. Let's go for detailed one. Whether we want to display this one in vertical format. To display it in vertical format, make it S or else no. Profit or loss both as liability, no. If you have to display, then make it S. Show percentages, yes or no, can be done. Show working capital figures, yes. Method of showing balance sheet, how? Whether assets liabilities or liabilities assets, that also can be done. We can select. Here we have the print configuration options. Now let's see print configuration options on bottom right hand side. Okay, the first one is regarding about print language. Okay, here we can go for changing the language. To come out, I just select here right now for English. To come out, escape. Okay, in the same way we can go print preview with with preview or no preview. Select for no preview. Here we can see it will not appear. Suppose if we require print preview, before giving the print command, we can have a look to the print preview, right, with print preview, and later we can select for the print command. The next is regarding about the title. We can see the title is balance sheet. In the same way, we can provide the subtitle also. Additional information also can be provided. That is nothing but print with company name. Default is S. We can make it even no also. Company address, yes. Date range of the report, S is there. We can even make it no also. Page numbers in the report, no is there default. We can even make it S also, right? The next is regarding about the page numbers, 1, and page range, it is for all. Even we can make it even and odd also. Next is regarding about pre-printed. Just click on pre-printed on pre-printed paper. Neat mode on pre-printed paper. Suppose if we are using plain paper, just click for plain paper. Only neat mode will come. Okay. Print format. In case of print format, print mode, we have 3. Suppose if we are using dot matrix printers, then we can select for dot matrix format to print tally reports. Neat mode and quick modes are compatible with most of the printer drivers which are installed on Windows operating system. Right now select for neat mode. Okay. Next is regarding about number of copies. Default is 1. We can make it here 2 or even we can make it here 5 also. Right now 1. Select the printer which is connected to the system. The name of the printer will appear here. Okay. To come out, escape. The next one is regarding about auto column for the report. Column details, we can select for daily, monthly, or it can be for weekly or yearly. Select for monthly. Print question mark, press S. Later we can click on zoom. To come out, escape. Later we can click on print command. This will go for taking the hard copy printouts. Right now we will see how to give the print command in case of daybook. We are back to Gateway of Tally, reports, display menu, click on daybook. Right now we can see only one transaction. Change the financial year period, Alt and function key F2, 1st of April 2021 till 31st of March 2022. Here we can see all the transactions. To see the detailed one, press here Alt and function key F1. In the same way, top right hand side here we have condensed. We can see how this will appear. Detailed, condensed, detailed, right? Here we can give the print command, that is Alt and P. The same options will appear what we had for balance sheet, right? Printing daybook. Report titles will be daybook. In case of print configuration, which will appear on bottom right hand side, the same thing will appear here. Okay, just go back before giving the print command. Backspace, format, detailed one, narrations, no, bill wise details, yes, cost center details, yes, inventory, yes, select vouchers to show all, Only accounting, select for accounting entries only. Okay, the same way, suppose if we require only inventory, select for inventory, or else select for all the vouchers. Okay, print question mark, press Y. Later we can just click on zoom, right? To come out, escape. Later we can give the print command. Just click on this print. It will go for taking the hard copy printout. Okay. This is all about the print option in case of Tally. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.